Now we are.
Okay. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you, Amul, for giving me this third chance to be here. I just love the community and I'm so happy that you all are all here. Should we wait a couple of minutes for people to join in?
Yeah.
Yeah? How does it look? Good. So, आज हम बनाने वाले हैं cheesy pasta pomodoro. Yeah? So, cheesy, cheese आपको तो पता ही है, और फिर pasta pomodoro के बारे में मैं 2 मिनट, let's wait till everybody join me, तो मुझे repeat करना पड़ेगा, but you know, let's just wait for a few minutes.
Talk a little louder.
And then we can start. Can you hear me?
You need to talk a little louder.
Louder? How's that?
Yeah.
Audible, थोड़ा हिंदी.
Okay. Are we on?
Yeah, 225 people.
That's good. I think let's get started, right? So, welcome back to my kitchen, Smita's Urban Kitchen. और आज हम बनाने वाले हैं cheesy pasta pomodoro. So it's a very simple but extremely delicious pasta dish. It's an Italian dish, मगर हम आज आपके dinner के लिए बनाने वाले हैं. And I hope you do it. आपके तो वहाँ 4 बजे हैं, हमारा यहाँ 6:30 a.m. है. So आपका dinner तो हमारा breakfast. But yeah, let me explain what we're doing today. Yeah, so let's go here. Of course, did you get all of our Amul products? I'm so lucky. आजकल मुझे इतने सारे नए चीज़ें मिल रही हैं यहाँ पे, because as you know, I'm not in India. मैं Michigan में हूँ. So a little bit about me. So I was born in Mumbai way back, and वहीं पे बड़ी हुई और फिर मैं यहाँ Michigan आई, and I've been here for 28 years. So yeah, long time. Magar, you know, a Mumbai girl is always a Mumbai girl. So here, so let me talk a little bit about pasta. So there are lots and lots of pasta. बहुत different type के pasta मिलेंगे आपको. But आज जो हम बनाने वाले हैं, it's like a thick tomato cheesy sauce. So उसके लिए most of these pastas work, right? इसको आप bow tie pasta कह सकते हैं या farfalle. Just twisted pasta, tagliatelle. This is fusilli, corkscrew. Literally, वो पास्ता के स्ट्रैंड को उन लोग टाइटली ऐसे corkscrew के स्पिंडल के जैसे करते हैं. These are dried pastas जो स्टोर में आसानी से मिलते हैं. ठीक है? Look at this beautiful bugle shaped pasta, pasta pane. I think this is called butellini. And this is also pasta pane, मगर ये rice का बना है. So if anyone has gluten issue, then this is a brown rice pasta. Again, cooks very easily. And what these pastas do is that because of the shape जहाँ पे, you know, it's got grooves, तो वो सारा ये chunky, tomatoey, cheesy sauces को ठीक से absorb करता है. So it's just fun to eat. And today we're going to use fusilli. Okay, so we'll do that, and a little bit more about me. So these, this is my company, Peacock Spice Company, or we started in 2007. The beauty about this is these are single-use sachets of masala, blended masala. So normal mainstream America, this was like a fantastic addition to their kitchen. ताकि उनके पास मसाला डब्बा नहीं होता, so all the masalas to make chole, vegetable jalfrezi, rajma, and a whole bunch of things. So actually it was very well received, and now we are in many stores in Southern America. I mean southern states of America, I have to clarify. So that's a bit about me. Now let's get to the recipe itself, right? So again, we are making cheesy pasta pomodoro. You can hear me? Everyone can hear me?
Yeah, maybe a little louder.
A little more louder. Okay, I'll just take a quick sip of water and... Alright. So basically, what is pomodoro, right? What is pomodoro sauce? Nothing but fresh tomato sauce, right? So pomodoro is fresh tomatoes, and today we're going to make this sauce using fresh tomatoes, and And because we're making it cheesy, adding a twist to it, I have two kinds of cheese. Cheddar, Amul cheddar cheese shredded, Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to be using fresh cream, butter, olive oil. And other than that, other than like those creamy and tomatoey, it's a very simple recipe. So we have onions. This is about one medium-sized onion. I've chopped it really fine. This is garlic. 4-5 cloves of garlic मैंने mince किए हैं, छोटे-छोटे, ठीक है? And then of course we have हमारे tomatoes. So this is about 4 large tomatoes. इसको peel करके puree किया हुआ है. So 4 large. और अगर आपके छोटे tomato हैं तो आपको 5 use करने पड़ेंगे. Basically 2 large cups of fresh peeled and pureed tomatoes that you need. Okay, and about a cup of shredded cheese, half a cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Yeah. All right. 2 tablespoons of butter. About a 1/4 cup of fresh cream. So you can use your Amul fresh cream for that. Right? All right. So then with the spices, we have black pepper. तो ये मैंने coarsely crush किया है आपके black peppercorns, ठीक है? और ये red chili flakes. And this is a Italian blend. तो आपके store में भी easily मिलेगा Italian spice blend. So it's a mix of rosemary, oregano, thyme, garlic powder and red chili flakes. Okay, तो ये basic same proportion में उनको mix कर देते हैं. They call it Italian spice blend, and I'm just going to use that. I have salt and I have some sugar. ठीक है?
How many servings is this?
About 6 to 8 servings. So we're going to use.
Do we have to boil something?
Yeah,
Boil
few silly.
tomatoes before?
Not necessary. No, it's not necessary to boil the tomatoes. You just peel it because you don't need the skin. That the texture changes. So this is just that. And here we have the fusilli pasta, which we're going to use. I'm going to use 16 ounces, almost 8 pounds. Okay, and we're going to make all of it. If you are making it for just two people, then just reduce it. Half कर दो सारे proportions. And मैंने recipe information में डाला है, like the Amul का जो the link which you're watching, the recipe is there. So please watch that. Yeah. So अब यहाँ पर चलिए मेरे को Whoa, yeah. So I have a big pot of water boiling. ठीक है? इसमें at least 6 से 8 cup of water है. It doesn't matter. I'm going to pour ये जो हमारा dry packet of pasta है, let's just pour it on. Alright, and then इसको हम एक बार चला देंगे. You guys can hear me? This is a very easy dish. And if you notice बहुत कम ingredients हैं, तो इसमें थोड़ा नमक, right? ताकि हमारे पास्ता में ढंग से flavor mix हो जाए. And I'm going to use some olive oil. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to just stir it. और ये अपना पकता रहेगा साइड में. Okay? We don't have to do anything to it. We'll keep looking at it, और फिर जब वो पक जाए तो we're going to take it out into a bowl. Alright, let's start with our sauce now. Alright, ready? So, our olive oil, we do need a lot, for the flavor of it. Alright, 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'm going to put ये जो हमारे 2 tablespoon of Amul butter है, मैं सिर्फ 8 tablespoon अभी इसमें डाल रही हूँ. ठीक है? How's it going?
Oh, pasta directly in boiling water, or do you need to add olive oil first?
No, it doesn't. You add your pasta. It doesn't matter. We just have to cook the pasta, right? So we'll just add the pasta to the hot water. So the olive oil that I just poured us pani mein, so it coats the noodles, so it doesn't stick to each other. And the salt, of course, gives it flavor. And we are going to use that pasta sauce, the pasta water in our pasta sauce. So I'll come to that later. Okay. Other than the dry ingredients, I have some fresh basil from our garden. Smells divine. हमारा तेल गरम हो रहा है. So I'm going to pour all of the garlic. See that इसके अंदर. And the onions. Yes, of course. तो मैंने इसमें garlic और प्याज, बारीक कटा हुआ प्याज डाल दिया. अब ये अपने ऑलिव ऑयल और बटर में सॉफ्ट होगा, विल कुक. नाइस. तो अभी हमें इतना नहीं पकाना है कि वो ब्राउन हो जाए. यू नो, वी डोंट हैव टू मेक इट डार्क. डोंट गिव इट एनी, लेट इट जस्ट बिकम सॉफ्ट. And for that, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. इससे the onion kind of cook faster. They become soft faster. Yeah. So जब ये पक रहा है, I'm going to tell you why today is special. आज है 4th of July. That is American Independence Day. Just like 15th August in India, आज हमारा American Independence Day है. So happy Independence Day, America. And that's why मैंने थोड़ा blue, red and white पहना हुआ है. So just in celebration, right? Little things matter. So that's it. And a lot of people are going to be making this today. You know, pastas and grilling, and the family gets together. छुट्टी है, आतिशबाजी in the sky. It's a beautiful day. Let me check on that pasta.
A lot of people saying hard.
Oh, that's fine. So बस मैंने पास्ता में एक चम्मच चला दिया just to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. It looks good. It's going to be done soon. Onions, they look good. The onion and garlic is giving this awesome, like इसकी जो खुशबू आ रही है अभी right now at 6:30 in the morning is pretty good.
So I think Neha, Preeti, Mami,
Hello
Dadi.
everybody. Hello
Shakunti.
Preeti, Shaku auntie, mom in Delhi, and dad. Hi. As usual, we miss you. Magar, you know what? Try this. It's such a great dish. और आप भी बना सकते हैं. In fact, today is a Saturday, and the biggest thing is my dinner में क्या बनाऊँ ना? It's 4 o'clock over there. Trust me, this is a beautiful dish. एक तो the whole family will enjoy it. The kids will love it. Okay, if it's just the two of you, perfect romantic evening. Perfect. With this, and you know, I'll show you how to set it up. It's going to be a perfect evening.
Rizel, Amit, and me also.
Harne aunties.
Awesome. Awesome. Harne auntie is also there. That's awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna, you know, this is what I do. I put my spices into this toasting onions because then they get really flavorful. Okay? So this was 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of the fresh crushed black pepper, and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Okay. Now let's give it a good swirl in the pan. So my pan, जो मैंने pan use किया है, it is heavy bottomed और ऐसे wide है. It's wide and flat. It really cooks everything evenly and fast. So I like it.
Any side dish you suggest for this pasta?
Oh yeah. I'll come to that. Pasta. This dish is like complete in its by itself, or you can add so much to it, right? Now, the tomatoes. Oh wow. Do you see that color?
Wow.
Isn't it lovely? Or blend it in. There, our sauce is coming along.
What does pomodoro mean?
Pomodoro means fresh tomatoes in Italian. Tomatoes, ripe tomatoes. That's all that pomodoro means. So basically, this is a tomato-based pasta sauce. और हम उसमें थोड़ा cheese डाल के उसे cheesy pomodoro sauce बना रहे हैं. Okay?
How do you balance the choice of flavor for kids and senior young ones in one
Yeah.
go?
In one go, right? So that is the beauty of Italian cooking. ये जो spices हैं, they are like very they're mild yet flavorful, and उसमें आपने अपने cheese और मिला दिया, cream मिला दिया, so it's just pleasing to any palate, any time of the day. I think that's why Italian food is so popular, and everybody wants it. All right, so let that cook. So now again, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay? A little bit more. So what does sugar do? Right? So there are different theories. One, that it cuts the acidity, because tomatoes make acid gel. It's just an acidic food, but no one is really sure about it. मैं क्यों डालती हूँ? Because I think it kind of balances the flavors. So अगर थोड़ा sourness ज़्यादा हो या bitterness हो fruit में, tomatoes में, the sugar kind of blends it and brings out all the flavors together. So it actually tastes really good. So अगर मैं पनीर मखनी बनाती हूँ ना, उसमें भी I put a little bit of sugar. It just kind of balances the taste. All right, this looks pretty amazing. I'm going to let it cook. Let's check on the pasta again.
I am from Australia saying that.
Oh, Ayan. Okay. See how lovely these noodles look. So they are not completely soft. हमें उसे Italian में कहते हैं al dente. So basically, it looks perfect to me. So basically, they are soft, they're cooked, but they have a bite to it. Like थोड़ा सा उसमें like थोड़ी कसर रह जाती है. तब आपको ये बंद कर देना है, ठीक है? So it's cooked. Look at the noodles, how lovely it looks. And I'm going to drain it into a pot.
How many minutes?
It took me about 8 minutes to cook this. So pasta के packet में जो आपको instructions है ना, just follow it. How to boil, how much to boil, and it's normally accurate. But आप pasta को देखिए, it took me about 8 minutes to make this whole packet. Isn't that great? Within 8 minutes, noodles are boiled. All right, let me get them all out. So मैं ये spoon use कर रही हूँ, क्या कहते हैं इसको, छन्नी वाला spoon. It's slotted, so it's easy to stir and it's also easy to fish my pasta out. सारा पानी वहीं पे रह जाएगा. अब ये जो पानी है, save it, okay? We are going to use it. We'll talk about it more. Beautiful, ठीक है? मैंने सारे noodles अभी इसमें से निकाल दिए. I fished all the good stuff out, right? I'm just going to stick the 2 forks and we bring it back. Oh wow! Now this looks great. All right, I'm going to salt my sauce. ठीक है? This is actually a good time to get a taste of it. Whether it's good, तो फिर आप अपने हिसाब से अपने seasonings को adjust कर सकते हैं. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same. I'm going to just take a small. I think it's perfect. So there have been times जब मैं ये बना रही हूँ and if I'm cooking for my husband because उनको तीखा पसंद है, I actually put हमारी लाल मिर्च डाल देती हूँ. I put a little bit of cayenne just for that extra kick. Not necessary, but I've done it and it has worked really well. So here we go. Now at this point, I'm going to turn this off. Okay? ये बंद हो गया है एंड हमारा जो क्रीम है I'm gonna pour it in. Quick stir. See, look at how beautifully the ingredients are blending in together, and it's a lovely color. The red has become orange. It looks lovely. Okay, and we are going to add, I have about 5-6 little fresh basil. All right, this smells like almost heavenly. It's lovely. ठीक है, अभी इसको इसके अंदर डाल के we're just going to let it sit for a few minutes while we take care of the noodles.
How much Amul cream?
That was 1/4 cup. About that. That isn't much, right? Alright, I need a little bit of room here. Alright, so ये जो noodles पक गए हैं, normally I just put some more olive oil to splash it in so that they don't stick to each other. ठीक है, I am going to put little seasoning, about half a teaspoon.
And what all is in that again?
In this there is rosemary, oregano, some thyme, garlic powder, red chili flakes. ठीक है, so if you don't have the blend you can make it yourself. और एक दो चीजें नहीं है, like say rosemary नहीं है तो भी चलेगा. That's okay. All right. So now we season that. I'm going to also put just a splash of salt. And ये जो हमारा butter था, the remaining tablespoon of butter, I'm just going to mix it all. So basically now your noodles are getting coated with butter and olive oil, and it smells great. But you know, बच्चे can just eat this. My kids have done it जब वो छोटे थे. They would just eat the noodles with anything, vegetables, paneer, anything at all, whatever you want to give them. So these noodles in themselves taste awesome, और हमें इन्हें और awesome बनाएंगे by putting it back into our sauce here. How are we doing the time, guys? Almost there?
So no more of the way.
Oh, wonderful. Alright, we'll turn our pan on again. Move that out of the way. I need to wipe my hands. So now, हमने flame बंद कर दिया था when we added the cream and the basil, because we don't want the basil to burn and wilt and look bad. And the cream, उसको you know फटने का डर होता है, तो उसे बंद कर दो, आराम से डाल दो. See, look at that. It's blended so well. We are almost getting done, guys. Isn't that wonderful? All right. Now I'm going to toss the pasta like completely into here. And ये जो pasta water रखा था हमने, I'm going to add 1 cup of pasta water, reserved pasta. So why do we do that, right? So this pasta water has starch, और ये जो noodles हमने boil करे उसका जो starch है वो पानी में मिल गया, उसमें से हमने थोड़ा salt भी डाला, so it's like salty starch water, and that makes the sauce, उसकी जो consistency है, it becomes thicker and also coats the sauce very well on the noodles. So that pasta water is important. अभी मैंने almost 1 cup डाला था. Let me see if I need more, but I think not. It looks like that's enough. I'm gonna let this mix. It looks great. Now comes the cheese. We have Amul shredded cheddar cheese. I just dumped the whole thing in it. Okay. And like 2 large tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Okay? ये Parmesan cheese हमारे यहाँ ब्लॉक में भी मिलता है, पाउडर्ड भी मिलता है. I have both, but this is freshly grated. Oh my God! Now it's coming along, right? See the noodles and the cheese and our pomodoro sauce. It looks amazing. It's kind of thickening a little. The noodles are getting all the juices, and our fusilli, जो हमने use किया, the corkscrew type of pasta, it's got these grooves, right? तो उसमें सारा juice. So if your tomatoes were even more chunkier than this, if you like it like that, chalega. And this pasta actually holds it all together. I don't know about you. It's early in the morning here, but I'm ready for pasta. So I hope you guys do it. Make it tonight for your family, for your loved ones. Yeah, this is sharing love. For me, cooking and feeding my family and my friends, this is sharing love. So I hope you feel the same. Oh my God, this is coming along really well. इसको बस 1 or 2 minutes while I get my bowl, my plate bowl. Is this all supposed to be? Okay. Alright, put it off. Give it a good toss. I hope you guys can see how nice and thick this is becoming. And while we're waiting for this, I think we need to give a shout out to our camera person, Sonia, मेरी बेटी. So अगले हफ्ते she is going back to college. Chicago में रहती है. She goes to college there. So I don't know who's gonna be. मेरे husband को करना पड़ेगा ये cameraman job. So you're gonna miss Sonia. So I'm telling this to her and all of you. Continue to be safe. Please use your mask. Wash your hands. Avoid crowded places. Right? अभी तक ये corona गया नहीं है. We have to still be careful. Okay? Now, oh, that's hot. Okay. I'm gonna use this thing. I'm gonna pour this pasta. तो मैंने एक ऐसे nice flat dish लिया हुआ है. I'm just gonna pour it right over. Whoa. How lovely is that? So इसे कहते हैं family style meals, right? The whole thing is put out there. I'm going to sprinkle Parmesan cheese. So Parmesan, I really like it. It's got this nutty flavor, and it's a pretty solid cheese. As a see, इतने गरम पे डाला, but it still maintains its form. Oh yeah, and of course that. And you know what I have? I have some cherry tomatoes. I'm just gonna reach over and get that, guys. Yeah, we'll just cut. I'm just slitting it into two. Some people like them whole. आप पूरे ही cherry tomatoes उसके अंदर डाल सकते हैं. Not a big deal, but I'm just slitting it. Make it just look a little pretty. I knew I had one more cut up. Just to add some more color to this. So actually our plate is ready. You know what? I have some fresh rosemary. I'm just gonna. How lovely does that look? Right? Just add some green to your plate. Voila, it's ready. Right, so अब हम क्या करेंगे? I'm going to show you, because if you want to turn this to a special night for your family, right? So थोड़ा सा table को dress up कर लो, put a nice tablecloth, a nice place setting, set this in the middle. तो आपको और कुछ नहीं बनाना है. This is your entire meal, right? And I have some bread. I have some Italian bread here. You know, I wish we had more time, but you know, I make this sauce butter ये हो गया. So you just mix some Italian seasoning, some butter and some ghee, the Amul ghee, and just microwave में या stove top पे थोड़ा heat कर लो and toast your butter in that. It's bread in that. It's amazing. So let's take this to our table. There you go. I'll be right back.
Do you have any veg and non-veg side dishes?
Yes, actually this pasta dish goes well with any side. You could have grilled vegetables, paneer steak, or if you eat non-veg, any protein. Just grill it, ya pan fry it, ya cook it any way you like it, and set it on the side. And it is perfect in any way. So, of course, I have the red chili flakes, Parmesan cheese, and you simply, you know what? Why not? I just love this. I just grate some more on it. You cannot ever have enough cheese in your pasta, right? Okay, there you go. And just dress up your table. तो आपको कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You're missing nothing. You have a first-class Italian meal, a romantic evening for two, or a warm family dinner together. So I hope you liked it. Enjoy it. Follow me, Smita's Urban Kitchen. ये मेरा Instagram handle है. I have a YouTube channel, Smita's Urban Kitchen. Please follow, subscribe, and ciao.